Welcome guys, if you're thinking about moving to the UK for work, I've researched this to tell you about the skilled worker visa, your key to living and working in the United Kingdom. Vis-a-vis the new white paper published, the 72-page white paper published by the UK government just last week. What's this visa all about? The skilled worker visa allows you to come to the UK and stay in the UK for a job that is on the list of eligible occupations. You must work for a UK employer that is approved by the Home Office. These are the organizations permitted to hire international workers. This visa actually replaced the old Tier 2 General Work Visa, and it also allows you to work in UK waters if you apply for your role. Are you eligible? To qualify for this visa, you must have a confirmed job offer from an approved UK employer. You must receive a certificate of sponsorship, that's COS, from your employer, which outlines your role in the UK. So you must work in the job that is graduate level RQF 6 and above. This is a new requirement, meaning some previously eligible jobs are no longer qualified. So you must also meet the new minimum salary requirement, which has increased to £25,000 per year from £23,200 per year. So you must demonstrate B2 level English proficiency, which is a higher standard than before. Then what if I don't qualify for this visa? There are other visa options available, but if you were considering care worker visa, the UK has ended overseas recruitment for social care visas. If you're already in the UK on a care visa, you can extend it, but new applications from abroad are no longer acceptable. How long can you stay? This visa lasts for up to 5 years, the skilled worker visa, and you can extend it if needed. However, there is a major change. Previously, you could apply for indefinite leave to remain permanent residency after 5 years in the UK, but now it requires up to 10 years in the UK unless you can prove that you are making significant contribution to the UK economy and society. How then do you apply for the skilled worker visa? The application process is online and you can apply up to 3 months before your job starts. Processing times are 3 weeks if you are outside the UK, 8 weeks if you're already in the UK. If you need a faster decision, you may be able to pay some money for priority processing. And how much does it cost to get this visa, to get this done? There are several costs involved: application fee, healthcare surcharge for each year, proof of personal savings, and however, if you are working in public healthcare, you may qualify for health and care worker visa, which is actually cheaper and does not require the healthcare surcharge. And what can you do with this visa? Once you have your skilled worker visa, you can work in your job, study, bring your partner and children if they meet the requirements. You can also do voluntary work. You can travel freely in and out of UK. And after 10 years, if you meet the requirements, you can apply for indefinite leave to remain, which allows you to live, work, and study in the United Kingdom permanently. So what can't you do? First, you cannot apply for most benefit or the state pension. You can't switch jobs or employer without updating your visa. If your visa is approved, you will receive a full list of restrictions that will guide you better. That's everything I'll be sharing with you. If you are planning to move to the UK, make sure that you meet these new requirements because things have actually changed. If this update helps you, like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs this information.